In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, the question of whether to introduce children to artificial intelligence (AI) has become a pressing topic for parents and educators alike. As AI integrates deeper into our daily lives, it shapes not only how we work but also how we interact, learn, and solve problems. Recently, journalists Anna North and Adam Clark Estes explored this dilemma in a thoughtful discussion that reflects both optimism and apprehension about the future of our children in an AI-driven world. North, a senior correspondent at Vox, shares her enthusiasm for the potential of AI to revolutionize fields such as medicine and communication. However, she also expresses concern that reliance on AI tools might diminish the motivation for children to learn foundational skills like writing and mathematics. She fears that as AI capabilities expand, so too might the temptation for children to bypass learning opportunities. My biggest fear is that my kids won't see the point of learning certain skills because AI can do those tasks for them, she notes. Estes counters this perspective with a more hopeful outlook, emphasizing the importance of guided engagement with AI technologies. He recalls his own childhood experience of navigating the early internet alongside his father, which fostered curiosity and adaptability. Reflecting on the present, he suggests that parents should embrace this new era of AI by exploring these tools with their children, helping them discern when to utilize AI and when to rely on their own skills. As AI finds its way into educational settings, the conversation naturally shifts to how it will redefine traditional learning structures. Both correspondents acknowledge that AI's presence could lead to a shift in educational priorities, similar to the introduction of calculators in math classes. North points out that AI might enable personalized tutoring, addressing the needs of individual learners in ways that large classrooms cannot. However, she also raises valid concerns about the reliability of AI tools and their impact on developing critical thinking skills. The duo also examines the emerging trend of AI companions such as interactive toys designed to engage children in conversation. They ponder the implications of these technologies on childhood friendship and creativity. While Estes notes that the presence of AI might replace imaginary friends, North believes that children's innate creativity will adapt to new forms of interaction. As their discussion unfolds, the issue of safety and responsibility comes to the forefront. North expresses concern about the potential risks associated with children interacting with AI, especially in light of reports of chatbots leading users toward harmful behaviors. Estes echoes her sentiment, emphasizing the need for vigilant parental oversight in navigating an increasingly complex digital landscape. Interestingly, the conversation touches upon the broader societal implications of AI, including its role in mental health. In regions like Taiwan and China, young individuals are increasingly turning to AI chatbots for therapeutic support, often due to the stigma surrounding mental health and the inaccessibility of professional help. While this trend showcases AI's potential as an auxiliary tool for mental wellness, experts caution against over-reliance on technology, arguing that it cannot replace the nuanced understanding and empathy that human therapists provide. As we peer into the future, the integration of AI into our children's lives presents both challenges and opportunities. The balance between leveraging AI's advantages while fostering essential life skills will require thoughtful strategies from parents, educators, and policymakers. As North and Estes conclude their engaging dialogue, they remind us that the conversation about AI and our children is not just about technology, it's about shaping the next generation's relationship with learning, creativity, and each other. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly ubiquitous, the journey of understanding and integrating these powerful tools into our lives is just beginning. As parents and educators navigate this terrain, fostering a spirit of curiosity and responsible engagement will be crucial in preparing children to thrive in an AI-enhanced future. The discussions sparked today will undoubtedly influence how we approach technology education and mental health in the years to come. At this week's Google I/O event, the tech giant unveiled a series of groundbreaking developments that promise to reshape the landscape of immersive technology. Central to this announcement was the expansion of the Gemini AI framework, which aims to integrate artificial intelligence with extended reality XR through the introduction of Android XR. This initiative signifies not just a technological upgrade but a paradigm shift in how users will interact with digital environments. Shahram Azadi, the head of Google's Android XR development team, articulated the vision behind Android XR, stating, "That's exactly why we're building Android XR." He emphasized the importance of diverse XR devices tailored for various daily activities. For instance, while immersive headsets are optimal for gaming or watching movies, lightweight AR glasses can provide essential information on the go, minimizing the need to reach for smartphones. This recognition of user variability is crucial as it signifies a move toward more personalized tech experiences. A noteworthy highlight was the introduction of the Muhan headset, touted as the first device running on Android XR. Set to be released later this year, possibly coinciding with Meta Connect, this headset exemplifies the collaborative efforts between Google, Samsung, and Qualcomm to harness the potential of Gemini AI in new XR applications. Azadi stated, "We believe there's not a one-size-fits-all for XR, reinforcing the notion that technological solutions must adapt to the multifaceted needs of users." The integration of AI into augmented reality is particularly compelling, as Azadi called AR smart glasses a natural form factor for AI. He unveiled a prototype of these glasses at the recent TED 2025 conference, showcasing features like real-time translation and image recognition. This demonstration not only highlighted the technical capabilities of the upcoming smart glasses but also underscored the broader implications of blending AI with everyday technology. Augmented and virtual reality have moved computing from the rectangular screen to the 360 immersive display, he explained, suggesting a transformative evolution in user interaction paradigms. The Android XR operating system, introduced last year, is designed to enhance user experiences on various XR devices. It is built upon a familiar Android framework, thus allowing existing applications to transition smoothly into this new environment. This compatibility is a critical step towards overcoming one of the major barriers to XR adoption: the need for a rich ecosystem of applications that can engage users meaningfully. In a strategic move to bolster its position in the XR space, Google has also entered a partnership with HTC Vive, committing $250 million to gain insights and expertise in XR development. This collaboration aligns with Google's vision of creating a robust platform supported by a network of industry leaders, including Samsung and Qualcomm, to drive innovation in XR technology. Amidst these technological advancements, the conversation around fashion is also evolving. Hartman Capital and DRSSX recently announced a webinar titled "The Future of Fashion is Digital," aiming to explore the intersection of AI, AR, and digital identity in the fashion industry. Dressks, a pioneer in digital-only fashion, is pushing boundaries by allowing users to wear virtual garments on platforms like Roblox and Snap. As Felix Hartman noted, Generation Alpha and Z shape and express much of their identity online, with fashion remaining a primary conduit for self-expression and culture. The integration of AI in fashion is set to redefine customer experiences, offering personalized design and marketing strategies that resonate with younger generations. As digital fashion continues to gain traction, the implications for both creators and consumers are profound, heralding a new era of virtual identity and expression. The rapid development of AI technologies is also reshaping supply chain management, with agentic AI solutions emerging as pivotal in safeguarding operations against tariff disruptions. As companies face an increasingly volatile trade environment, AI-driven analytics can provide real-time insights, enabling proactive responses to potential supply chain risks. This shift towards automation and predictive analytics is essential for businesses aiming to maintain competitiveness in a complex global marketplace. As we look ahead, the convergence of AI with XR across various sectors suggests a future where technology enhances everyday experiences in increasingly immersive ways. From fashion to supply chains, and now with Google's ambitious Android XR initiative, the potential for innovation is boundless. As these technologies continue to evolve, they promise to unlock new avenues for interaction, creativity, and efficiency, fundamentally transforming how we engage with the digital world. Meta has taken a significant leap forward in its hardware ambitions with the recent launch of its Ray-Ban AI glasses in 3 new regions: Mexico, the United Arab Emirates, and India. This expansion marks the most extensive rollout of the smart glasses to date, increasing their availability to a total of 18 countries. The move is seen as a strategic effort by Meta to solidify its position in the burgeoning market for augmented reality AR and AI-driven wearables. The Ray-Ban glasses, which integrate advanced AI capabilities, have garnered considerable attention since the introduction of live AI features last December. Users in these newly added markets can now utilize the glasses' built-in camera to engage with their environment, asking questions about their surroundings and receiving real-time assistance from the AI assistant. The expansion of Meta and EssilorLuxottica's smart glasses business into India, Mexico, and the UAE almost triples the market reach, noted a report from Upload VR, emphasizing the potential for growth, particularly in India, which boasts a massive population. However, the launch in India presents unique challenges. Despite the country's vast consumer base, its digital infrastructure is not as developed as in other regions, which could hinder widespread adoption. The Ray-Ban glasses are priced at approximately 30,000 rupees, a cost that approaches the average monthly income for many Indians, making them a luxury item rather than an everyday gadget. Nonetheless, the growing middle class in India may provide a viable market for Meta's offerings in the long run. In contrast, Mexico and the UAE have more favorable economic conditions for the adoption of such technology. Both nations have established retail networks through EssilorLuxottica, allowing potential customers to experience the glasses firsthand before making a purchase. This localized approach is crucial as Meta seeks to enhance brand recognition and consumer trust in these diverse markets. The timing of this expansion is particularly strategic given the competitive landscape. Apple has already launched its first-generation AR headset and is working on a more consumer-friendly wearable device. Meanwhile, Snap continues to develop its AR glasses, capitalizing on its established user base and the cultural cachet of its social media platform. The recent unveiling of Google's smart glasses at its I/O conference further intensifies the competition. Google aims to position its product as a practical tool for travelers, featuring live translation capabilities and interactive functions that directly rival those of Meta's Ray-Ban glasses. Meta's choice to rebrand its glasses as AI glasses rather than smart glasses reflects a shift in marketing strategy that aligns with the current AI boom. This terminology not only emphasizes the device's capabilities but also aims to distinguish it in a crowded marketplace. As competition heats up, establishing a first-mover advantage through early expansion could allow Meta to build a robust distribution network crucial for future growth. As the technology landscape evolves, the impact of Meta's expansion on its Reality Labs sales figures will be closely monitored. The company's ability to navigate the challenges of varied market conditions and consumer readiness will be critical in determining the long-term success of the Ray-Ban AI glasses. With ongoing advancements in AI and augmented reality, the race among tech giants is far from over. All eyes will be on how these developments unfold in the coming months. In a rapidly evolving technological landscape, competition for artificial intelligence talent has reached unprecedented levels, with major players like OpenAI, Google, and xAI investing millions to attract top-tier professionals. As the demand for AI capabilities surges, these companies are not just racing to innovate but are also engaged in a fierce bidding war for human capital that could define the future of artificial intelligence. Recent reports indicate that these tech giants are offering lucrative salaries and enticing benefits to secure the services of AI experts. According to industry insiders, compensation packages have spiked dramatically, reflecting the critical need for skilled personnel in a field where expertise is both rare and highly sought after. The stakes are higher than ever, commented an anonymous tech executive familiar with hiring trends. Companies are not just looking for talent, they're investing in the future of their AI projects.
This battle for AI talent is not just a matter of financial investment.
It speaks to a broader strategic imperative. Those who can harness advanced AI technologies will gain a significant competitive edge. As organizations increasingly rely on AI for everything from data analysis to product development, the race to recruit the best minds in the industry has become a defining characteristic of the current tech landscape. In this context, hardware manufacturers are also stepping up their game to support AI-driven applications. Acer has recently unveiled its new Swift X14 AI and Swift X14 laptops designed specifically for professionals and content creators. These devices feature NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5070 GPUs and powerful AMD Ryzen AI processors, enabling them to handle demanding creative and AI workloads with ease. The Swift X14 AI, equipped with AMD's latest processors, boasts an impressive 50 TOPS of neural processing unit (NPU) performance, enhancing its ability to execute on-device AI tasks such as rendering and real-time visualization. Furthermore, both models come with high-resolution 3K OLED displays optimized for visual fidelity and color accuracy, making them ideal for graphic-intensive applications. The laptops not only enhance productivity but also incorporate user-friendly features like adaptive brightness with Acer light sensing technology and advanced audio capabilities through Acer Purified Voice 2.0. Meanwhile, DG PowerX is expanding its AI infrastructure through new collaborations aimed at bolstering its capabilities in the AI sector. While details on the specific partnerships remain sparse, the move signals a growing trend among tech companies to form strategic alliances that enhance their AI offerings and drive innovation. As the demand for robust AI solutions accelerates, such collaborations will likely become increasingly common in the industry. The competition among tech giants for AI talent, along with the advancements in hardware designed to support AI applications, points to a future where artificial intelligence will play an even more integral role in our daily lives and business operations. As companies continue to invest heavily in both human and technological resources, it is clear that the landscape of AI is set to evolve rapidly, shaping not only how we interact with technology but also how we envision the future of work. As these developments unfold, we can expect to see even more creative and practical applications of AI across various sectors. Underscoring the significant impact of this ongoing race for talent and innovation, in a significant move that highlights the growing intersection of artificial intelligence and cloud computing, Microsoft has announced the integration of Elon Musk's xAI into its Azure AI models. This collaboration, revealed on May 22, 2025, is poised to enhance Azure's capabilities, combining Microsoft's robust cloud infrastructure with xAI's innovative approaches to artificial intelligence. The partnership comes at a time when AI technology is rapidly evolving and becoming increasingly central to various business applications. Microsoft's decision to incorporate xAI reflects a strategic effort to bolster its competitive edge in the AI landscape. As Satya Nadella, Microsoft's CEO, noted in a recent statement, by integrating xAI's cutting-edge models into Azure, we are not just expanding our AI offerings, we are redefining what is possible for businesses around the globe. This announcement coincided with Elon Musk's engagement with Senate Republicans earlier that same day, where he discussed the transformative potential of AI in energy solutions. Musk emphasized the importance of regulation in fostering innovation while also addressing the need for responsible AI deployment. The future of AI is not just about development but ensuring that it benefits humanity as a whole, he stated, underlining the dual necessity of innovation and ethical considerations in the tech industry. The integration of xAI into Azure could significantly impact businesses looking to leverage advanced AI for various applications, from data analytics to customer service automation. Analysts predict that this partnership may enable Azure to attract a broader clientele, particularly from sectors that are increasingly reliant on AI-driven insights. With AI being a focal point of modern enterprise strategies, Microsoft's move is seen as both a timely and strategically sound decision. Moreover, the implications of this collaboration extend beyond immediate business benefits. It places Microsoft at the forefront of the ongoing discourse on AI ethics and governance. As AI technologies evolve, so too does the conversation surrounding their regulation, a topic that was notably highlighted during Musk's discussions with lawmakers. The collaboration could serve as a benchmark for how tech giants approach ethical AI development, especially in light of growing concerns about misinformation and biases in AI systems. In the broader context of the tech industry, this partnership could also impact NVIDIA, a key player in the AI hardware space.
Following Musk's revelation,
analysts have indicated that NVIDIA shareholders may benefit from the increased demand for powerful AI processing capabilities necessary to support the advanced models that will emerge from this collaboration. As companies like Microsoft and xAI push the boundaries of AI technology, NVIDIA's role as a provider of essential infrastructure becomes even more critical. Looking ahead, the integration of xAI into Azure is likely to pave the way for further advancements in AI capabilities across various industries. As Microsoft and xAI work together to refine their offerings, the potential for groundbreaking applications in healthcare, finance, and beyond becomes increasingly tangible. The tech community will be watching closely to see how this partnership unfolds and what it means for the future of artificial intelligence, as both innovation and ethical considerations continue to shape the landscape. The next steps taken by these industry leaders could set a new precedent for AI development worldwide. In a groundbreaking move that could redefine the intersection of artificial intelligence and hardware design, OpenAI has announced its acquisition of Sir Johnny Ive's startup IO in a deal valued at $6.5 billion. The partnership elevates OpenAI's ambitions beyond software, positioning it to create a new generation of AI-infused computing devices. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, expressed his enthusiasm for collaborating with Ive, heralded as the greatest designer in the world, stating that this alliance aims to completely reimagine what it means to use a computer. Ive, renowned for his pivotal role in shaping Apple's most iconic products including the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad, will bring his design expertise to OpenAI,
assuming significant creative responsibilities within the company.
He emphasized that the world stands at the brink of a new generation of technology, hinting at transformative products that could soon emerge from this collaboration. "The first one we've been working on has just completely captured our imagination," he remarked, suggesting that a prototype has already made a strong impression on Altman, who called it the coolest piece of technology that the world will have ever seen. The acquisition comes amidst a rapidly evolving landscape for AI technology, which has gained significant momentum since the introduction of ChatGPT, OpenAI's flagship product. While software advancements have surged, the hardware domain has seen challenges, with several recent attempts to launch AI-centric devices failing to resonate with consumers.
Despite this, Altman expressed confidence that the partnership with Ive could succeed where others have faltered.
"I think we have the opportunity here to create something truly revolutionary," he stated, reflecting a shared vision for the future of computing. Ive's departure from Apple in 2019 marked the end of an era, with CEO Tim Cook acknowledging his indelible impact on the company's revival. Following his exit, he founded Love, from a design firm that has collaborated with various companies including Airbnb and Moncler. Interestingly, Lovefrom has been working with OpenAI for the past 2 years, a relationship that has laid the groundwork for the formation of IO, which was established to pursue the ambitious goal of developing a new family of products. The deal has implications beyond OpenAI's immediate goals. Analysts such as Ben Wood from CCS Insight note that betting against Johnny Ive is foolish, given his track record of delivering disruptive innovations. Furthermore, Wood pointed out that OpenAI's desire for a direct relationship with consumers could lead to a significant shift in how AI services are delivered, moving away from reliance on established tech giants like Apple and Google. While some startups such as Humane AI have attempted to carve out space in the AI hardware market, their products have faced criticism for functionality and performance. OpenAI's move into hardware comes at a time when competitors like Meta, Google, and Apple are also exploring new AI-driven devices, indicating a burgeoning opportunity for innovation in this space. As OpenAI embarks on this ambitious journey, the implications of its collaboration with Johnny Ive are likely to reverberate throughout the tech industry.
with a focus on creating products that blend cutting-edge AI technology with exceptional design. The partnership promises to usher in a new era of computing that could reshape how we interact with technology. As we look to the future, the question remains: what revolutionary devices will emerge from this collaboration, and how will they change the landscape of personal computing? In a significant leap forward for generative AI, Google DeepMind has unveiled its latest innovation, the Gemini diffusion model. Launched on May 20, 2025, this state-of-the-art text diffusion model promises to revolutionize the way users generate coherent text and code, offering unprecedented speed and control. As generative AI continues to evolve, Gemini diffusion positions itself at the forefront, setting new benchmarks in efficiency and output quality. At its core, Gemini diffusion employs a novel technique known as diffusion. This approach diverges from traditional autoregressive language models, which generate text one word at a time, often leading to slower outputs and potential coherence issues. Instead, diffusion models refine random noise step by step, learning to generate coherent outputs through iterative correction. This method allows for rapid response times and enhanced coherence, enabling users to produce entire blocks of text in a fraction of the time required by earlier models. Gemini diffusion is more than just a faster model, it represents a paradigm shift in how we approach text and code generation, said a Google DeepMind spokesperson. By transforming noise into meaningful text, we not only increase efficiency but also empower users with greater creative control. The performance benchmarks for Gemini diffusion are impressive. In comparison to its predecessor Gemini 2.0 Flashlight, the new model demonstrates superior capabilities across various coding tasks. For instance, it achieved an impressive 89.6% accuracy in the human eval benchmark, closely trailing its predecessor at 90.2%. Meanwhile, its speed is noteworthy. With a sampling rate of 1,479 tokens per second, significantly reducing the time users spend waiting for outputs. This rapid advancement in AI capabilities has also caught the attention of industries beyond text generation. At Computex 2025, Google DeepMind showcased how the Gemini model can be integrated into robotics. Demonstrating real-time responsiveness to natural language commands, robots powered by a unified AI model could adapt to new environments without the need for extensive retraining, performing complex tasks with remarkable dexterity. This integration highlights the versatility of the Gemini architecture, paving the way for more intelligent and adaptable machines in various sectors. Google DeepMind's commitment to refining and expanding the capabilities of its AI models is evident in its plans for the future. The company is actively working on a faster version of its existing models, with the anticipated release of Gemini 2.5 Flashlight, aimed at further reducing latency and enhancing performance across the board. As industries increasingly rely on AI for content creation, software development, and robotics, the implications of Gemini diffusion could be profound. By simplifying the generation of high-quality text and code, Google is not just improving tools for developers and marketers but also democratizing access to advanced AI capabilities. As more users join the waitlist for early access to Gemini diffusion, the landscape of generative AI is poised for transformative changes. In conclusion, Google DeepMind's Gemini diffusion model represents a significant advancement in the world of generative AI, offering speed, coherence, and versatility that could reshape various industries. As developers and businesses explore the potential of this innovative technology, the future of AI-driven content creation and automation appears brighter than ever.